Welcome back to Explain Care. In this tutorial, we will know the alternative method of convert to sheet metal by using insert bends and the rip feature in sheet metal. First of all, I create a solid part. I select top plane, sketch, normal. Now I select rectangle, center rectangle, right click, select option, smart dimension. This side 500 mm and this side 300 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch. Now extrude pause space feature, extrude it up to 80 mm and apply draft 10-degree angle. OK. Now go to shell feature and select this face. Here enter the thickness of sheet metal which you want. I enter 1.2 mm. Show it preview and uncheck shell outward. OK. After shell, go to sheet metal and here select insert bend. Select fixed face. I select this face. At here enter bend radius. I select 1.2 mm. OK. Bend allowance. K factor 0.5. Auto relief. I select OB round. You can also select rectangular out here. I select the ratio 0.5 relief ratio. Here select rip parameters. I select this edge, and these two edges. From here you can change the direction of rip, and here rip gap. I select 1 mm. OK. Auto relief cut were made for one or more bends. Select OK. You can flatten it. Select flatten. See its flat pattern. Come back from the flatten. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.